Hello everyone, this module is all about quantity sold report, and the functionality of this module is to automatically retrieve details such as quantity sold, date in last 90 days, then days of last received item, and the date of the last sale item. So first of all, we will directly go into the product, and here I have already created one product which is classic brown jacket. We'll go into that product, and here as we can see, like quantity sold in 90 days is zero, and we don't have any details for the date last received and the date last sold. Now we will go into the purchase, and we will create a new purchase order. We assign the vendor, and here we will add the product, and we will give 5 quantity, and we will confirm our PO. As you can see, our purchase order is confirmed. Now we go into the receipt, and we will validate the receipt. Once we validate the receipt, now we will create a vendor bill, and we will assign the bill date 24 of January 2025, and we will confirm it. After confirming it, we can see it is posted now, and we will pay the bill. And here you can see our vendor bill is paid now. And same, we will create a new sale order. We'll go into the sales purchase, and we will create a new sale order for the same product. We'll add the product, and let's suppose I give 4 quantity over here, and we will confirm our sale order. And here you can see our sale order is confirmed. Now we go into the delivery, and we will validate the delivery. Once our delivery is validated, then we will create a invoice for this product, and we will assign the invoice date 25 of January 2025, and we will confirm it. And here you can see our invoice is posted. Now we will go into the settings, and over here we go into the technical, and we go into the run schedule action button. Here is the schedule action button, and here we have 4 field, like calculate product last 90 days sold quantity, then we have calculate product last sold received date, then calculate product template last 90 days sold, and calculate product template last sold received date. So we will go into the calculate product last 90 days sold quantity, and we will run manually. Same we will do for the calculate product last sold received date. Then we will do for the template last 90 days sold quantity, and the template last sold received date. Once we complete this action with all the 4 actions, then we will go into the product again, and we go into our classic brown jacket product, and here you can see the quantity and the dates are updated as we have ordered. So this is all about the quantity sold report module. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section, and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.